Hello everyone! It's fall, my favorite time of the year because it signals the coming of the holidays, holiday events, activities, and of course, the food. So I want to take some time to explore San Francisco and the Bay Area to share with you how fall looks like in our neck of the woods. My co-pilot and companion for the day is Bailey. He normally likes to sit on the driver's side with me when I drive, or he's normally on someone's lap on the passenger side. But since it's just him and I, and it's going to be quite a drive, I had to buckle him in. I know he's gonna whine because he's gonna get bored, but I did pad the passenger side for him so that he'll be a bit more comfortable, or at least that's the idea. First, I had to pick up some breakfast at Spro because it is quite a drive and it is early. But I'm gonna make it travel friendly. I'm going to just place my latte into my own tumbler. It keeps it a lot hotter, longer. Plus, I won't be spilling. Now we're on our way, finally.
In 2.6 miles, at the roundabout, take the first exit onto Hecker Pass Highway.
Parking is tight around here, so we just sort of parked off the side of the road where everybody else was parking, and so now we're just gonna look around, walk around the apple grove. We are at Gizdich Ranch, which is in Watsonville, an hour and a half south of San Francisco. It is a farm and a ranch featuring apples, berries, baked goods, and an antique shop. This is the first time I'm visiting here, and I'm excited to explore. So let's go. So there are green apples and red apples, and there's also a berry farm, and I'm not sure if we'll be able to get to that, but you can pretty much pick apples, all your apples, your bushel of apples, and pay for it on your way out. We're not going to do that today because I'm not sure if we'll ever get to finish a bushel of apples. And it's not worth buying just a pound. But you can definitely get your money's worth over here if you have a big family or if you want to give it away. It was a little hairy driving over here I didn't realize that the road that we were going to take was the back roads on like the last 10 miles getting over here. And it was pretty zigzaggy, like zigzaggy. And the last 5 miles, Bailey sensed that we were near our destination, and so he was just whining. Ugh. But we're here. I am actually unsure if dogs are allowed. I mean, when you go into their Instagram page, there were dogs that were sort of at the picnic areas, and they really don't have a strong Facebook presence, so I didn't know whether or not pets were really allowed. I just brought him anyway. So this is the parking over here. You really have to get here early in order for you to get a spot within this area, because we pretty much parked after the exit. All right, so let's go check out the store and then we'll go to the pie shop next door. Part of the reason why we came over here is to pick up some pies. I'm curious about it. It seems to be really popular.
Don't have strawberry rhubarb right now.
So the pie shopping was not successful. They ran out of the strawberry rhubarb, a whole pie, and the slice. So I ended up getting just a slice of Olallieberry and Boysenberry. Come here early if you want to get the specialty type of pies. It is midday already and it was a little too late. I will show you guys the pies when we get to the car. It is hot up in here. It's about 73 degrees outside, but it feels like it's 80. But before I drive off, I just wanted to show you guys one of the pies. I mean, both of them look pretty much the same, but it's a decent size for a slice. So now I'm gonna try and look for the strawberry field. I think I saw where it is on our drive over this main entrance, but I didn't really see people over there. If anything else, we'll just stop and take a quick video. Alright, so we entered the freeway already. It looks like we're taking a totally different route from this morning. And I knew that you could take the freeway all the way to the ranch and, you know, just a little bit of side streets. But earlier I was taken through the mountains. But in any case, because I'm taking the freeway the whole way through, thank goodness, we didn't get to pass by the strawberry fields, which is on the other side of this route. All right, I will see you guys when we get home because I need to concentrate on driving. Bailey is so dirty. He's definitely showering when we get home. But he walked around a lot today at the farm, so he's just going to sleep this ride out. Home now, and I'm able to really show you guys the Gizdich Farms pie and how it looks like. And I still don't know whether or not this is the Olallieberry or the Boysenberry. I haven't tried it yet. All right, so I think this is a good place in time to end this vlog. Thank you for joining Bailey and I on this Fall in the Bay Area travel series. So from my mind side to yours, definitely more to come. Thanks for watching.